Good afternoon. My name is Rose Sabol.
And I'm Catherine Lee. We're currently students in George Ranch High School competing in fashion design in level 3.
Today we would like to introduce you to our line. This inspiration came from goals that we had that were based off environmentally friendly brands that were unique because it counteracts the issues we had about fast fashion. We wanted to leave a clean footprint.
Today, a majority of affordable clothing brands have a damaging effect on the environment. Therefore, our line will reduce this issue. This industry makes clothing inexpensively and resulting in wears and tears, which results in people purchasing more, and people, therefore, it leads to consumers hyper-consuming.
The issue additionally creates clothing that goes out of style every single season. So this does not appeal to a large variety of different occasions. So our idea was to create a line of skirts that had both high quality and versatility. We wanted multiple uses for each kind of clothing to buy. So we wanted very versatile pieces in our line. The purpose is to bring the idea of slow fashion to our line and to consumers.
Here today, we will be introducing to our brand Green Tree. Our label's name unpacked a relevant meaning to our solution. Green represents is symbolic for nature and environmental, and tree represents the natural world.
So our first design is right here. This is our sample piece. It is called the all-around skirt because it is a wrap skirt. So this skirt is reversible. So this side is patterned with neutral colors, with creams and neutral colors. And then if you untie it and flip it around, the other side is a solid black denim material. So this skirt is 100% cotton. So the top has that patterned color and then black material wrapped all the way around. So we take the tie, and you're going to tie it on the side, right here. So this skirt is machine washable. It could be dried cold or line dried, and it has to be steam pressed.
We use a muslin for simplistic to cut out fabric. We use fabric scissors and rotary cutters to cut out the fabric. Next, we stitch across the fabric. Then we continue straight stitching all the pieces together. Then we press the seams and steam them. To make the tie, we sew them, turn them right side out, and then we steam pressed.
Keeping in mind the cost of production and the cost of equipment, this would cost $50. So our second design is called the flapper skirt. This is a long, flowy skirt with white fabric, and the fabric has like creases in it. So this skirt would sell for $45.
Our third design is a mid-thigh length skirt called a Go with the Flow skirt. This skirt is black with white grid and red flowers. This skirt has a small side slit that can be zipped up, creating a pencil style skirt. This skirt can be sold for $40.
Our fourth design is a classic denim tennis skirt made with a black material. This skirt is pleated all the way around, is very versatile for all kinds of occasions, and this is sold for $32.
All of our skirts are machine wash, cold line dry, and cool iron. Our 5 major goals for our career paths are firstly to be accepted into the Art Institute in Houston. We must be focused on our grades and be hardworking. Then we want to obtain our bachelor's and associate's degree in fashion design. Next, we will take courses in computer-aided fashion, be interns at a design institute. And finally, start our own label. We will learn how to create and run a company. We will need to be creative, insightful, and have a hardworking future.
Our target retailers would be stores like Macy's, Dillard's, and Nordstrom. We chose these retailers based on general prices and demographics that also reflected our line's choices.
Thank you for listening.
And thank you for your time.
Do you have any questions for us?
What skill did you learn or improve upon that you can use next year at school or in the future?
Well, we learned a lot of skills, but the most productive skill is time management, because we have a certain amount of time where we had to create our entire brand in the skirt we have right now. So we had to consider like the cost, like what available time that we have together so we can bring this together, I guess. And we also learned leadership skills because that was really difficult for us because we have many disagreements and we had to figure out how to bring them together to a mutual agreement. So yeah.
What obstacles did you encounter and how did you overcome them?
The obstacles we encountered was when we had disagreements about ideas or goals that we wanted to set for our projects. So we would have two different ideas and both want to use our ideas. So we had to come together and find a mutual compromise that would incorporate both ideas. And so we had to work on like communicating and working out our issues and figuring out what would work best for both of us. Thank you for your time.
Thank you for your time.